everyone. My name is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I was the second President of India and a proud teacher before that. I always believe teachers are the two pillars of a nation. They are like candles that gives us light. When my students wanted to celebrate my birthday, I said celebrate it as Teachers' Day to honor all teachers. Teachers shape our mind, our character and our future. They are like candles that gives us light. So let us learn to respect and thank our teachers every day. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day in advance.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words. Now let us listen to a real-life story of a man and his teacher.
Dr. Kalam and his teacher. When Dr. Kalam was a young boy, his teacher, Mr. Iyer, explained the science of how birds fly by taking the class to the beach. That one lesson made Kalam dream of flying and working with rockets. Later he became the Missile Man of India, and he always thanked his teacher. A teacher's word can change a child's future.
Now it is time to show some colorful trump cards on how we should behave in class.
Raise your hand to speak. It shows respect. When we raise our hand before speaking.
Listen carefully. Listening helps us learn better. Keep classroom clean. Clean surrounding make us feel happy.
Be kind to friends. Kindness make our classroom a family.
Do your homework. Homework helps us to practice and grow. Dear teachers, thank you for helping us grow with love, knowledge and care. We are lucky to have you in our lives. Happy Teachers' Day in advance.